Hello everyone and welcome to SV Talks series Mindset. Today I'm going to share more about the mindset. See, in the last video I have already shared the type of mindset, which is fixed mindset and the growth mindset. So today again I'm going to talk about these both of mindsets so that you are really very clear about what type of mindset you are into, whether you are into fixed mindset or you are into growth mindset, so that it is really easy for you to decide where to go and why to go. And today I'm going to share a very important aspect which is really going to clarify the difference between both the mindset, and you can really easily decide where you are and where you want to be. Okay, in the fixed mindset or in the growth mindset. So have you ever seen or you have noticed that some of the people being in a particular profession are really very successful in their life, but some of the people being in the same profession are not so successful? Or there are companies who are having a particular product and they are doing amazing, but there are some other companies which are having similar type of products but they are not doing so good. So why is it so? Have you ever noticed why you look for any successful person, you name them, could be Steve Jobs, Warren Buffett, Amitabh Bachchan, Sachin Tendulkar, or so many of them are there, right? They all are really inspired to think in a certain way, while there are so many others who are thinking differently, and that is why they are into the fixed mindset, while the successful people who are inspired to think in a particular way, they are having a growth mindset. So what is that particular thinking that they are having? So here is a question for you. If you get an opportunity to do something, let's say a business, then what is the first thing that you are going to look into? Okay, so there are 3 questions over here. What is you going to do in that business? The first thing you are going to look for that, or you are going to look into how am I going to do this business, or you are first going to look into why I am going to do this business or any business for that matter. So the question is what, how, and why. So which one will be the first question that comes up into your mind when you think about any opportunity that comes into your hand, into your life? That is where the magic lies. And most of the people are looking into what to do and how to do, and very few of them are really looking for why to do something. And that is why very less number of people are there who are really successful in their life, because they are inspired by the reason for what they are doing something, why they are doing something, and that creates the whole difference. So just to make it easy to understand for you, I'm going to represent everything that I have just shared with you in a particular diagram. Okay, so there are basically 3 questions that I have already shared with you. So I have made 3 circles in both sides, and there are 2 mindset. One is fixed and another one is growth mindset. So what is the difference? That I've already shared, that in fixed mindset, the very first question that people think about is what, then they think about how, and then they think about why. While when you are in growth mindset, you always look for why as the priority, the first thing. Then you look for how, and then comes what. So basically, if you really comes up with the summary, it says that we are always, most of the people are always looking from outside in, while the things are actually inside out. You need to first look for why rather than how or what of anything. So now, looking at this diagram, you can really easily find out where you stand. Are you into fixed mindset or you are into growth mindset? If you are into growth mindset, congratulations to all of you. That's just amazing. But if you are into fixed mindset, then no worries. There are number of ways you can really come up from fixed mindset to the growth mindset, and in the next upcoming videos I'm going to share those techniques. So just wait and watch. And before I will start the techniques, I would just like all of you to find out even why you want to grow from fixed mindset to the growth mindset. Find out your why, so that when we come up with the techniques, it is very easy to apply that even if there are challenges. Okay, so with this, this video is done, and in the upcoming video we'll talk about the why. Find out your why, and then we'll talk about that. And stay happy, take care, and love yourself. Bye bye.